Hi everyone, it's me, Grace Falabi, one more time. Today I'll just be putting you through what is known as data type in Python programming. There are different data type in Python programming, but I'd like to teach you what is called string. What is a string? A string is a data type used to represent text. They are letters. They are not numbers. So when you are dealing with letters in Python programming, you're actually dealing with strings. So how does string work in Python programming? Look at the first one. Sentence 1. Raising a million AI talent. That's my target. Another sentence says, and building AI solution to enhance the quality of life of 2 billion people in the emerging market. That's also my purpose. Now, when you're writing Spring in Python programming, you put quotes, either single quotes or double quotes before the words. So if you look at this, raising 1 million AI talent, you have quotes before it and quotes at the end of it. Same with the second sentence. Now we use the command print. Print is just a function. So we are saying print the first sentence and the second sentence. If you don't put the quote in front of those words, it's going to trigger error. But when you put quote and run it, it will not trigger error. So let's see how it's going to come out. Let's run it. So you can see, wow, it's pleasant. We can see raising 1 million AI talents and building AI solution to enhance the quality of lives of 2 billion people in emerging markets. Awesome. So it came out nice. So that's how it's going to look like. So look at this one. S equals to input. What is your name? Input, we're saying, what is your name? We will now say data type. What data type is X? We are asking what type of data is this X? So we're going to look at it together. Is it a string? Is it a boolean? Is it an integer? So we're going to look at it. So let's run it. Let's run it. If you run this part, you won't get said what is your name? Because we actually say input your name. Input your name. What is your name? My name is Grace. So I'm going to type Grace. What is your name? Grace. So my name is Grace. That's why I am typing Grace. And my name is Grace Falabi. So I have Grace. Let me put my surname. Awesome. I'm Grace Falabi. Okay. So I've inputted my name, Grace Falabi. So we're now saying what type of data set is this? Is it a string? Is it an integer? Is it a boolean? So let's see what we're going to have there. So I run it. Okay. So I run the data type. Okay, awesome. So we can see here that I did the inputs. It asked me for my name and then I put my name. And my name is actually a string. Is actually a string. Thank you very much. We'll meet next time where I'll be able to teach you more on strings and other data type. Bye.